At Lichtsinn RV, we help hundreds of guests on their path towards RVing in a fuel-efficient Mercedes Benz, making us the largest volume dealer for Winnebago Views and Navions across all of North America. Now, we've made a special purchase of factory-fresh Winnebago Views and Navions in which you can pick your promo on any available or inbound Winnebago View and Navion available now through February 28th of this year. With these package savings and the following promo, you can save $16,000 to $17,000 versus the projected cost of next year's 2020 model arriving in early summer. First, we'll reimburse your travel expenses up to $1,000 when you take delivery of your Mercedes Benz in our all-new heated indoor facilities. Or close on the RV and we'll store for you through spring, all at no charge. Or receive $1,000 in free accessories in our 8,000 square foot retail parts store. So if you've been wanting HWH levelers, added solar, satellite TV, Wi-Fi or cellular boosters, surge guard protection, TPMS, or anything else you can dream up, we'll provide you a $1,000 credit. Then we'll back that with Master RVDA Certified Technicians to ensure that it's done right. Regardless of which pick your promo you select, you can take advantage of our award-winning half-day individualized educational orientation with a Master RVDA Certified Technician and receive the time and attention you deserve to learn operation and get the most out of your new fuel-efficient View. But don't take our word for it. Check independent reviews of our dealership on Google Reviews or Facebook, where our guests rave about this unique guest experience. Two great ways to save on your factory direct purchase now through February 28th. But don't wait. Our Pick Your Promo offer applies only to available and inbound inventory. Quantities are limited, although we do have all 4 floor plans available in stock and inbound, and save on your new fuel-efficient factory fresh Winnebago View.